Hey there, in this quick video, I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller with your LG Smart TV. Let's begin. We'll press and hold the settings button. This brings the main menu up. Then go to General, across, and go down to External Devices. From here, we go across again, and you can see it says Connect Bluetooth Controller. Let's move to the right. It's now searching for a device. Grab your PlayStation 5 controller, and what we want to do is make sure it's powered off. Then we press and hold two buttons. They are the PS button and the Create button. Now, sometimes it may time out the search, that is, from the TV. And you can see I have a search button there on the TV. What I need to do is grab the controller and just click OK, and it will start searching. It's found the Bluetooth controller. So let's grab the remote and select it. Click OK. Look at the PS5 remote. The light has gone solid, and we have a message here saying it's connected. Now, just to show you it's working with the TV, let's go back a menu and let's go forward a menu. If I want to disconnect permanently, I can go across from here and I can go to disconnect or delete. I hope this has been useful. Please give it a thumbs up if it has been. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.